Now what's going on here?
Okay. The water, the river is rising higher than it's filling up inside here. It looks like the difference is what, 3 feet? This little, remember the little section I told you about? The little inlet that they dug is not keeping up.
Yeah.
And it's overtopping.
Going all the way down that way.
That's crazy, isn't it? What is that? Oh, that's a tire float. That shows you how high the water is on the outside of the levee. It's basically eye level. Tomorrow it'll be 8/10 of a foot higher, and it'll be flowing hard over there. It'll probably do the same when it goes out. It'll have to overtop for a little while.
These birds must be feeding off of something coming over there.
They're there for a reason, aren't they?